Morning, today is September 19th and today's refinishing project is located in Sunol, California. So Sunol is a little town here located in Northern California, and it's right next to Pleasonton, in between like Pleasonton and Fremont, closer to Pleasonton area. So yeah, we're in Sunol, California today, and we're going to be refinishing the standard size cast iron bathtub here. It's been previously refinished years ago, and it's just needs to be stripped and redone. So let's take a look. See, it was refinished a long time ago, and it's just it's about that time for it to be redone. This caulking up here has to be all removed. All this caulking has to be removed. It's a pretty thick bead. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty worn, pretty rough.